Mwakwaba, your friend Pies, and then person show kwan first obey bootable USB drive for Windows. Said the way obey to me, I Windows formatting and as a Windows installation. But more they also be subscribe to this channel. Now I click on the like button. Amame. Now no before obey to me, I bootable no. We here pen drive with a minimum size of 4 GB, which is 4 gig. And then when you no software so you be use a power ISO. Enti say ade a wo power ISO or laptop and as or desktop so that they are then it's okay. But say we need be just open your browser, then type a power ISO download. And then now what you choose first link, you know. Now I click on download. Edubeba download page a wobɛhu 32-bit and 64-bit. Aha no depending on your machine no bit a ɛrun no ɛna wobɛchoose anaasɛ wobɛdownload. Ebia sɛ wonnim o machine no bit a ɛrun a open any folder ɛwɔ o machine so. And then o left pane no wobɛhu this PC. Just right click on it and then choose properties. Me use Windows 11 the interface na a bit different from Windows 10 any other Windows version, but whichever version be we use no, just make sure say obehu 64-bit operating system and as 32-bit. And he say uhu 64 it means say o machine run 64. Uhu 32 so it tells you say o machine no run 32. Until back to the download page, you know. Maybe you use 64 until I'll click on download. Okay, until file no download we are wait me click on open or show in folder. Now what double click the setup file. Okay, until no setup file na be no click on agree. A normal Windows installation procedure na until you click on install. Me may install that until there mekos na masa install bio. One thing is with download we na akoye or power ISO page no ema free version na free version no a bit limited enema bi wo ho wuntimi nye but ema akwa mo wetimi aye Windows formatting no me use crack ntinya ade a may install we no sesi a sanso na se open crack na wobɛhu me email address or description box in MT. Just send me an email. Na me send the link in the ma said the way I also wait me and download the crack version. Okay, nti wire installation area no on your desktop I wobɛhu power ISO icon. And I say just press your Windows key, then type a power ISO. And then you right click and then you choose run as administrator. And before we running power ISO as administrator, no, make sure so pen drive now whatever be bootable no when you set it our laptop and I say o machine now be formatting no so. Right. And this say I download the power ISO area no. So make sure say Windows software no and I say Windows OS ISO no I ready. Now say we need be a obetimi ebio browser na what type Windows 10 download. Now what you see first link no. Yeah, and with this page you know obetimi download the Windows ISO file but ebema Windows 10 home. Enti se per crack and so for Windows 10 Pro no so just send me an email. Me send the link na wait to me akwa download it. Enti we download the Windows ISO file no area. Just come to power ISO, come to tools, and then you click on create bootable USB drive. Enti first field no which is image file no, you click on baby I say folder icon no no. Now what locate baby Windows ISO file no eda. Enti meme DNA. You click on it, then you choose open. Enti with destination USB drive no, ube choose USB drive na pese wonye formatting no so no. Enti with me no meme drive G. Now no say bia wo drives bebre Now say ABI idea who and I say me detect your drive now. Just click on refresh. So icon we say click so idea be refresh it field na amount. And I say o drive no aba bebre wa ha say who or USB drive nankasa. Just open any folder, come to this PC, and then I say no be who drives are connected to o machine no. And then me deɛ no ɛyɛ letter G nti wobɛtumi allocate drive no by letters nti me deɛ no yɛ letter G nti I'll just go back and make sure say I choose the one with the G letter. Now uwie bibi say na men click bibia men choose bibia ɛwɔ ha bia nebra start. Now no before I click on start na say we start the whole process no, make sure say o USB drive na o use no why a backup say o important file be ɛwɔ so na files be ɛwɔ so because ebe format o drive no nti information bia na data bia ɛwɔ drive no so no ebe delete ɛnya ade a wobetumi nya files no bio nti make sure say obeye o backup ansa na wahye use USB drive no. Nti why okay a person want to ask no, then you click on start. Nti aha no, then you click on okay. O click okay na process na ebe hye make sure say o laptop and say o desktop na o use no enko off. And this a betimi asay o USB drive no. Wa click okay ewie no, so ebe take you be 10 or 15 or 5 minutes depending on machine no speed. Say eye formatting ni wie a and say create USB bootable no ewie pe ebe prompt o say ewie, then you click on okay. Now we eject or drive no. That's all. Me da say onya amrehwe. Me next video no kwan a obefa so a obeye Windows installation na kasa. Just stay tuned. Never more so subscribe to this channel.